Hello my friends, you're welcome to simplify this math problem, which is 93 to the power of 3 plus 44 to the power of 3 over 93 to the power of 3 plus 49 to the power of 3. In the first step, we start by letting a as 44 and b as 49. And from here, a plus b is equals to 44 plus 49, and it will be 93. So, in next step, we substitute this value in this fraction, and it will be 93 to the power of 3. It will be a plus b to the power of 3, and plus 44 to the power of 3, it will be a to the power of 3, and over 93 to the power of 3 is a plus b to the power of 3, and plus 49 to the power of 3 is b to the power of 3. And in next step, if we have x plus y to the power of 3, this is equals to x plus y times x squared plus minus xy and plus y squared. So, for this numerator, we can use this formula, which is x is a plus b and y is a. So we write in here x plus y, it will be a plus b plus y is a, times x squared, it will be a plus b squared, minus xy, it will be a plus b times y is a, times a, and plus y squared, it will be a squared. And over in here, we have a plus b to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3. And from this formula, a plus b is x and y is b. So we can write a plus b plus b times a plus b to the power of 2 minus this times this, it will be a plus b times b, and plus this to the power of 2, it will be b squared. So, it will be, in here we have a plus b plus a, and in here we have a plus b to the power of 2 minus a times a, it will be a squared, and minus b times a, it will be ab, and plus a squared. And for denominator, we have a plus b plus b, and in here we have a plus b to the power of 2 minus a times b, it will be ab, and b times b, it will be b squared, right? In here we have negative, so it will be negative b squared, and plus b squared. So, in here, negative a squared will cancel positive a squared, and in here, negative b squared will cancel b squared, and we have a plus a, it will be 2a, and plus b times a plus b to the power of 2 minus ab. And for the denominator, we have b plus b is 2b, and plus a, and times a plus b to the power of 2 minus ab. So, in here, this will cancel this, and we have 2a plus b over 2b plus a. So, in next step, we call this a and b in here. A is 44 and b is 49. So we write A is equals to 44 and B is 49, and it will be 2 times A is 44, and plus B 49 over 2B, 2 times 49 and plus A is 44, and it will be 2 times 44, it will be 88 plus 49 over 2 times 49, it will be 98 plus 44, and it will be 137 over 142, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.